Welcome back. I'm so excited to have you here today. If you're learning English or improving your skills, you're definitely in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next episode. Today, I'm going to tell you a special story. My Christmas Day. So let's begin. On Christmas morning, I woke up feeling excited and full of joy. When I opened my eyes, the first thing I saw was the soft sunlight shining gently through my window, and when I looked outside, everything looked magical. The rooftops were covered in soft white snow. The trees sparkled with tiny snowflakes. The air looked fresh and peaceful. And right in the front yard stood a beautiful Christmas tree decorated with colorful lights, ornaments, and a shimmering silver star at the very top. I smiled to myself because Christmas morning always feels like a dream. The whole street looked like a winter postcard. Children were playing outside, making snowmen and throwing snowballs at each other. Some were laughing so loudly I could hear them from my window. There were Christmas wreaths hanging on the doors, fairy lights on the fences, and a warm, cozy smell coming from the houses. When I walked downstairs, my family was already awake. The smell of hot chocolate and pancakes filled the air. There were cookies on the table, fresh fruit, and a big bowl of whipped cream. We talked, laughed, and exchanged small gifts. Nothing expensive. Just simple things to show love and appreciation. Christmas isn't just about presents. It's about spending time with the people we love. My family and I talked about our plans for the day, our favorite memories, and what we were grateful for this year. It was warm, it was cozy. It felt like home. Today, people celebrate Christmas in many different ways. Here are some common traditions. Gift giving, decorating the tree, Christmas dinner, turkey, ham, mashed potatoes, salad, or whatever your family loves. Sending Christmas cards, writing messages to people you care about. Some families also bake holiday cookies together. It's a time for kindness, giving, and sharing happiness. After breakfast, I put on my warm coat, scarf, gloves, and boots. Then I stepped outside for a peaceful walk. The snow crunched under my boots as I walked down the quiet street. I saw neighbors waving happily, kids pulling sleds, and families taking photos in front of decorated homes. A cold breeze touched my face, but it felt refreshing. I could see my breath in the air like tiny white clouds. Everything felt calm, joyful, and full of holiday magic. I looked around and thought to myself, this is what Christmas should feel like. When the sun started to set, the neighborhood transformed completely. All the Christmas lights turned on at the same time, glowing in red, green, gold, and blue. The street looked like a magical wonderland. I walked around, admired the decorations, and drank warm cocoa from small thermos cups. Some houses played Christmas songs with speakers. Others had moving reindeer, glowing snowmen, or Santa climbing windows. The whole world felt peaceful, warm, and full of hope. Christmas Day isn't just a holiday. It's a reminder to slow down, be grateful, and appreciate the people around us. And this was one Christmas day in my life, filled with love, joy, warmth, and beautiful memories. To you watching right now, I wish you a wonderful Christmas season full of happiness. See you next time, and Merry Christmas!